Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome back to the Renko Trading channel. Before we start, this content is for educational and experimental purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. In this video, we're going to answer one of the most important questions any trader should ask. Does Renko actually beat buy and hold? Because let's be honest, you can spend months learning strategies, testing entries, tweaking indicators. But if simple buy and hold performs just as well or better, then what are we really doing? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I compare Renko versus buy and hold, what backtests really show, when Renko can outperform and when buy and hold still wins. At some point, every trader hits this moment. You learn Renko charts. You start building strategies. You see some good results. And then you step back and think, would I have done just as well just holding the stock? That's actually a really important question. Because buy and hold is simple, low effort, and historically very effective for strong assets. So if Renko is going to be worth it, it needs to either improve returns, reduce drawdowns, or make your trading more consistent. When I compare Renko versus buy and hold, I keep it simple. I'm not trying to overcomplicate things. Here's what I look at: total return, drawdown, number of trades, and how the strategy behaves over time. Then I test one asset over a defined time period using clear rules. And I compare that directly to buy and hold over the same period. No cherry picking, no curve fitting. Just a fair comparison. Here's the honest answer. Sometimes Renko beats buy and hold, and sometimes it doesn't. It really depends on the market. In strong trending markets, a well-designed Renko strategy can stay in trends longer, avoid some major drawdowns, and improve overall performance. But in choppy markets, Renko can get whipsawed, exit too early, or re-enter too late. And that's where buy and hold can actually outperform. Renko tends to shine in strong, clean trends, markets with sustained momentum, and situations where drawdown control matters. Because Renko filters out noise. You're not reacting to every small move. You're focusing on structure. And that can help you stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and ride trends more effectively. Now this is important. Buy and hold still wins more often than people think. Especially when the asset is in a long-term uptrend, your strategy exits too early, or your rules are too sensitive. A lot of traders underestimate how powerful just holding a strong asset can be. And overcomplicating things can actually hurt performance. This is where things can get misleading. Some backtests look amazing, but they are not realistic. Common mistakes are over-optimizing brick size, testing only one market, ignoring drawdowns, unrealistic entries and exits, curve fitting to past data. Just because a strategy beats buy and hold in one test, does not mean it will hold up over time. Here's how I look at it. I don't try to replace buy and hold with Renko. I use Renko as a tool to improve timing, manage risk, and stay aligned with trends. In some cases, that leads to better results. In other cases, the biggest benefit is less stress, clearer structure, and more consistent decision-making. So, can Renko actually beat buy and hold? The honest answer is, maybe. It can outperform, but only under the right conditions, and only with disciplined rules. There's no magic here. No guaranteed outperformance. Just better tools if you use them correctly. And here's the part one thing matters most. You don't have to choose between Renko and buy and hold. You can actually use both. Think of buy and hold as your foundation, and Renko as the tool that helps you manage risk, improve your entries and exits, and stay aligned with the trend. So instead of replacing buy and hold, Renko can help you execute it better. And in some cases, that's where the real advantage comes from. That's a wrap on today's breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more Renko trading insights. Don't forget the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.